Welcome back, guys. It's Kids Going Playground here. Today we're back for another video, and we are donating our money for TeamSeas today. So
basically, in the last video, we said every dollar that you, like we get on this project, or this video, we will donate that $1 to TeamSeas. So as you can see right now, we have 24 likes. We gave ourselves 1 like actually, so that's why there's 24. So every dollar that's given will be $1 donated to TeamSeas, which is 1 pound of trash less in the ocean. And it's been 24 hours since the release date of this video, so we're gonna go hop onto TeamSeas.org and donate the money. So inside TeamSeas.org, we are going to put an amount as 25, right? 25. Let's just round the 24 to $25. All right, and then 25. We're just gonna display our name as Kids Coding Playground. Kids Coding Playground. Just copy paste this.
Team name.
Put that for the team name. Yep. For email, we're just gonna copy. We have the email over here.
kidsgodingplayground@gmail.com.
A mobile phone, we don't need that. That's not necessary. So what should we put it for a message?
How about let's clean up our ocean or something?
All right, let's do that. Let's clean up our ocean.
And then.
Oops. Hold on. And then we're gonna keep this as a yes. So then we're gonna be posted on the updates from the TeamSeas. And then we're gonna have to enter some info right here. This is probably gonna be censored out. Okay, so we have completed the info for donating the money, and we have just donated $25 to TeamSeas. There you go. We have the little banner right there that we bought. We spent $25. So thank you guys for the likes. That's why we donated to TeamSeas. Okay, so we're going back. We're going to refresh the page to see if we're in the recent. Or just enter it again. Scroll down. As you can see, Kids Coding Playground's right there with the 25 pounds. Okay. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you guys for the likes so we can donate to TeamSeas. That's pretty much for this video.
Please like, share, subscribe, and comment in the comment section below what else content you want on Kids Coding Playground. And yeah, see you guys next time.